Hi, my name is Tom Halbert. I'm the sales manager here at Way. Today we're going to take a walk through our showroom and take a look at a few of our new products we have. This is our Bluetooth speaker. Comes with a charging base that's pre-wired into your unit. Has two USB charging ports for your cell phone. The portable Bluetooth itself has 20 watts of power, has 4 LED battery light indicators indicating the battery level. So this type of speaker would be great for campers that are sitting outside around the campfire because it is removable from the base. Or you can take it down the beach with you, you can take it fishing. Or you can come back to your unit, slide it into the charging port, and it'll recharge it automatically.